Hi everyone, welcome again to our YouTube walkthrough series. We have a few episodes of YouTube optimization videos uploaded on Web Wonks channel, and you can check them out together with this video today. Now, we'll go through the easy steps to upload and optimize a video on your company's YouTube channel. So let's start. So step one, go to your YouTube app. So click on your profile picture at the top right and then click on YouTube Studio. That will take you to the channel dashboard and just click on upload video. Now you can drag and drop video files to upload them, or you can try select files. In this case, let's select file and then click on a video. So this will take you to the detail section. Now you can add in your title and description. So when you add in title and description, one of the tips that you can follow is to use relevant keywords to improve your search visibility and, to increase your conversion. So in the title section, you can add a clear and keyword-rich title that reflects your video topic. And then under the description is for you to add in a short summary or any important information that you want your viewers to understand with the video, and then add in a call to action such as subscribe, and also you can include links going to your website or going to your contact forms. Next section is the thumbnail. You can set a thumbnail that stands out and draws viewers' attention. So you have three options here. You can upload a file if you want your thumbnail to be customized. And then you can also choose the auto-generated option, wherein they will generate images which you will choose from. So in this case, I chose auto-generated thumbnail. So let's pick one, then click done, and then that gives you this thumbnail, or we can reselect and probably use this one. And that's it. So after choosing your thumbnail, you can set visibility, you can set your playlist, you can set your tags. Under playlist, you can click on the drop down, and then if you have an existing playlist, you can add in your video, or if you want to create a new playlist, you have the option to do so. Downwards, you have the audience. So if your video is made for kids, make sure to tick this section, and then more options for you to choose from, or you can also just leave them to their default settings. And then going to the tags, you can add in more useful tags that you think will help your viewers find your video faster. So it's very useful for those videos that gets commonly misspelled. Different options here to play around more. And if you're happy with the settings, you can click on next. And then more option for you to add in or configure the video here. And then click on next, next. And then you are taken to the visibility section. So you can make your video public, unlisted, or private. So once you are happy with the video that you have uploaded, it's ready to be saved. All right, okay, so I have to choose, let's click on private first. Let's save. There you go. Now you have uploaded your very first video on your YouTube channel. So uploading and optimizing each part of your video is just a start to help boost your channel's visibility. So setting up a strong video foundation to help your company can increase engagement and also get better results over time. So thanks for watching again. Stay tuned for more in our YouTube training series.